Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now, I'm on here today because I've got some mail. Oh dear. I just had a big accident with the camera. Fell down on me. Not on me, but pretty close. Okay, so I'm going to have to get something to hold it onto the table, and I've got a parcel, okay? This is what I purchased. This is my purchase for after Christmas. Okay, I did want one of those corner things. When I seen this is a lot of this too. Jeanette, I blame Jeanette a bit because she came on here and showed me a thing that she bought at Lincraft, and she only paid $3 for hers. It was a corner punch and a notch making thing, okay? And I needed one really so bad, and my circle puncher was no good. I kept going online and I kept on getting, wow, oh my goodness me, look what I got. Oh, I bet there's lots of rolled up little bits of paper in there. Oh wow, wow, this is really cool. Now, I didn't want to pay $6 for this thing and then pay $9 postage. So for a few on and off there for a couple of weeks, I kept on picking out some stuff, putting it into me cart, taking it out. Well, Jeremy couldn't buy it, still can't get it, He said, well, spend the $50, I'll give free postage. So I did, and I got one of these. Now this is exactly the same as the one that, same brand. This is a cool idea, and I might have to use that too later. That Jeanette bought. She got hers at Lincraft, and I bought this from Craftonline here in Australia. At Craftonline, they were $13 for half price, and she said when she bought hers it was $6 marked down to half the price, and she only paid $3. But that's okay. I don't care. I wanted it, see, so I still got a bargain in it, and I can't get it out now. I've really got to read it. Can't get it out because it just won't let me. Just give me a second till I find my knife. I'll get a knife here and I'll get onto it. Maybe not. Oh, come on, really. See if I can make a little hole without wrecking the thing. There we go. Get this out. I'm sure you've seen one of these before, but I haven't, and I've seen the one that Jeanette had, and I'm really, she's Scrapping Happy Exo Craft. Look at it, isn't it neat? I'm excited, I really am. I'm really excited about that because I really wanted one so bad for so long. I have one and it doesn't work properly for me. It never chops the corners off nice. It always leaves them wrong. I've got a piece of paper here, I've got a pad full of paper. I'm going to make some corners and maybe a notch on it, okay? I'll get a piece of pull out of here. Wait a minute. Nobody panic, I'm getting a piece of paper. Show you me things. Show you where you can go get one too, okay? Now, this is the notch part there, and this is the corner punch here. So imagine you put that into there for your corner. It'll be easy if I hold it. Maybe. Oh, look at that. Just done that straight away. Look, didn't make a noise or anything. Just chopped it. Look. Oh, and I pressed it down there. So along here, I can go and I can make a notch. Wait a minute, I have to sit down. Didn't press it out. Maybe I didn't press it hard enough. We'll try again. Maybe at first time I might not have pushed it down hard enough. I hope that, there we go. Look at that, I have a notch in it. So then when you do that, you can put that on your envelope or something, and you've got a tuck in your book. So that can be a little tuck thing. Or the lady did, she told me how she showed us how a lady just cut along there like that, and she used hers and made a file thing, you know. She probably made it a bit better straight than me. That's what she showed when she got hers, what she was going to do with what it's for, so you can make your a thing where you put files in it. That's it, clear as mud, sorry. It's exciting, isn't it? Look at that corner thing. That's awesome. That I just can't. It really is awesome. It just cuts it straight away for you. Look at that. The other one I got never did it right. It always did it crooked, and it was wrong all the time. Also, now I needed a new money punch because mine died. Oh well, I don't know how many times I've got it caught now because it wouldn't open. And my husband's had to come and help me. So I got this one here. It's a different brand. It's a 1-inch one. And I know, I'm going to make us watch this. You're probably going, oh, please don't put us through that, Sonia. But, this is cool. I do like this. And I'm going to be able to do punching out holes now. We'll make holes. Okay, where's the part where you put this through? Sometimes they lock, don't they? That's an idea. Unlock it. Look at that. There you go. Love it. Look at that. Wow. Isn't that cool? I do like them, and that works so good. The one I've got here, I'm going to retire. I'm there pushing and pushing down, and it gets caught and it won't pop back up. But when you close this down, you can hook him up and it can stay there tidy like that. Look at that. And I do love that one too. That's so nice. Okay, now, I didn't know what else to get. The only thing I seen that I really liked was these stamps. Now I'm going to have to say that I'm very excited about these stamps because I had no idea whatsoever how big they were. Look at this. And these awesome. Look at that. Oh my goodness me. That is amazing. I love houses. And I've got these look, there's my hand on to the sides. I don't know why it didn't say. And they were let's see, where's the box? Oh, get it on the floor. I don't know how much. And look at this, look at this, look at this. And aren't these good? Look, just like a feather. It says, they're feathers and leaves, aren't they? Yeah, like feathers and leaves. Aren't they cool? Oh, I do like them. They are awesome. Oh, so you stamp it and cut it out, fussy cut it, beautiful. Or put it on something, and they're huge. I was expecting some tiny little thing and thinking, oh dear. I think I only paid $8 each for these, and I think that's really, really cool. That is, isn't that good? And I'm really happy with these house ones because I do love a house stamp. I do love a house stamp, and this morning I was fishing through my things because I wanted to find, and I have three. I have 3 house stamps. I'll be able to make a village. Look. Aren't they cool? Wow. So that's my shopping. And now I'm going to have to find something to use these with because I need some acrylic things now, don't I? Oh dear. I don't think I'll buy any. I'll find some blocks. I'll do what I always do, but I'm just looking really forward to using these leaf ones. I really want to use them leaf ones. I've got all sorts of different colour ink. It's distress ink. But I suppose it'll work okay. Like, I use this sort of one. But I think the distress inks will work, you know, if I want to use a green to do a leaf, because I have some green. So, actually I've got green like this. Oh yes, I've got green in this one. Right, okay. Well, that's good then. I'm going to do some crafting. And I'll talk to you later. And I can't remember whatever else I did today, but I'll put up the videos, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.